Morning. Where am I? Middleton Lakes. Come with my daughter today. She's doing photography at college, and her exam's coming up and she needs a few more photos, so I've given my A7 IV and she's just randomly shooting everything. We've only just got here and it's a bit quiet. Lovely sunny day, and I've heard the cuckoo in the distance, so fingers crossed I might get a sighting of that. So let's crack on and see what else we can get. Well, we're struggling a bit, to be honest, today. Not a lot happening. That would have been a nice shot, some ducks flying towards me. But as always, when a good shot comes, I'm talking to you. Yeah, not a lot happening. I've seen my first sedge warbler of the year. My Merlin app has picked up a willow warbler, but I couldn't see it. Heard the cuckoo. Trying to think if anything else has happened. No, not really. Got a few shots of a wren, I think. That's about it. I think Tia's doing alright. She's her topic at college is disorder, so she's got to take things that are like not in order and out of place and things like that. So she's just randomly shooting stuff to have a think about when she gets back. I think she's took some decent photos. We've walked over onto the bridge at the moment and then we're going to walk back. So yeah, hope things pick up. Well, that's it. I don't care what anyone says, it's quiet. I've got a few little nice shots, I think, nothing amazing. I haven't really seen much, to be honest. I haven't heard the cuckoo for a while. So yeah, we're heading back. And I might edit one and show you how I edit one because the video's been so short. So back to the computer. Morning, I'm at Ladywalk Nature Reserve again. It's Sunday morning, sun's out. It's supposed to cloud over a little bit later as normal, but no hangover today, which is nice. I only went round the Middleton Lakes with my daughter yesterday. Didn't really get much, got a few nice shots of a white throat and a wren. That's about it really. So a little bit disappointing yesterday, so I thought, well, I'll come out again today. So I thought I'll have a quick walk round here, nice and close. Might get a few shots of some wrens. There seems to be loads of them about lately. And hopefully some white throats up there with my favourite bird. So yeah, fingers crossed. Might get something a little bit more interesting than yesterday. Well, the cuckoo's back over here, I can hear it, but I'm not chasing it today. It's just pointless. What I've learnt over the last few years with trying to get photos of the cuckoo, it's best to kind of just wait and let it come to you. because you can guarantee if you hear it over there, you walk over there, by the time you get there, it's back where you was. 2 or 3 years I've tried chasing it, and it's been a complete waste of time. What I might do is I might sit in Rudhide for a bit and hope that it turns up in one of the trees over there, because that's kind of where I've seen it quite a few times, one of its favourite spaces. So let's have a look, and you never know, it might go over there. Well, I spent a couple of minutes in the hide, not really much going on. It was when I first went in, I thought, oh, it's going to be good. Took a couple of shots in about 5-10 minutes, and then nothing, it just died. No sign of the cuckoo. I did see what I thought I saw beyond the back of me. It looked like an owl, but I only caught like the back of it, and it was kind of hovering, and then went down, and I lost it. But it was only there for like 10 seconds. I just kind of caught it out the corner of my eye. Could have been a kestrel, I suppose, but I don't know. It was like a brownie colour though, which was, yeah, I don't know what it was, but I'd have swore it was an owl. But, you know me, it could have been a flamingo. Well, I've just had a walk through the woodland behind me, and it's quite quiet. Just the sound of a few blue tits. Can't hear the cuckoo anymore, it kind of stopped, and the San Martins came down a little bit closer, so I took a few shots of them. Again, nothing close enough, but I think a little bit closer than last week. I'm going to have a walk up to the Riverwalk hide now and see if there's anything up there, but what I've seen from the first hide, it didn't look like there was much going on. It doesn't matter, because I'm out with my camera. It's a lovely morning. I haven't got work, and yeah, it's nice. It's first signs of spring are starting to really kick in, I think. Nice clear skies. The smell of garlic through the woodland. Butterflies are out. Cobwebs in your face. What more can you ask for? It's stupidly quiet in there today. Nothing at all going on. There was a heron, quite low, and I was waiting for it to take off, and it never did. And I took my eyes off the camera for a bit. When I looked up, he was round the other side. Wherever he walked round, I don't know, but I didn't see him fly anywhere. But apart from that, it was just nothing. Dead. So I'm gonna have a walk round because it was getting cold in there. The problem with that hide, it's quite high up, wind blows through. Well, there's not much wind, but it's and it's in the shade, so yeah, a bit chilly in there. So have a walk round. Haven't walked round to the other hide in a while, and from what I can see up there's a few birds around there. They're probably just gulls, but let's go and have a look. I need to warm up anyway. Well, no sighting of the cuckoo, but I did hear it again when I was in that last hide over here. I'm not chasing it. I'm not brown mud going this way anyway. So I'll keep my eyes open. To be fair, this is the corner where a guy told me, I think last year, the best place to see it. He said it'll always come and sit in the tree over here. But I've never seen it over here. Seen no little birds either today, really. No little like white throats or anything like that, or sedge warblers. Just blue tits. I think another bit of a disappointing day. I want to get myself one of those DJI Osmos, you know, the pocket cameras, because this is naff using it on my phone. It's too bright and it looks naff. I am getting lazy. I need to get my other camera out, but while nothing's happening, I just find it a bit of a ball ache to get it all out when it's not really worth it and nothing's happening. Do you know what I mean? But I suppose I'm just being lazy.
Like the morning, mouth wide open like they yawning. Every time they see me, they in G-Shock. Homie, this is too far. Homie, I feel too alive. You can see me like Illuminati. You can see me like Illuminati.
Well, it's gone dead. Haven't seen or heard, well, I can hear stuff. Haven't seen anything for about 15-20 minutes now. I just went to the last hide where all the bird feeders are. Sat there for 15 minutes and not a single bird turned up, so that's the cue to go home. I don't know what I'm going to do when I go home. I'm in one of them moods today where I haven't really got anything I need to do, so I don't know whether I'll put together this video quickly. I don't know. So it's been a bit of a uneventful weekend, really, I suppose. 3-4 photos at best. So it's going to pick up. It's got to pick up in the next few weeks. Hopefully the turns will be here as well. So until next time, thanks for watching.
All these women aliens, super foreign, so exotic, hopping the Mercedes Benz, and I got them crushing like ice pouring the bub. It's overflowing on us. You drop it, then pick it up. I think I'm falling in love, but shawty, this isn't what you probably thinking it was. It's a vibe out, cooling it for the weekend and such. You gon' find out once you come on and bring me that up. Keep coming with it. Keep coming with it. Keep coming with it. Place your bets on us. Get your money and flip it, yeah.